Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool amazing one right here in my hand, and basically what this is a glass screen protector that's for your camera itself. And basically what this is a glass screen protector for your cameras, and this only supports certain cameras. And this one comes in a 3-pack, so you guys have extra ones just in case if the one that you guys put on originally cracks or breaks. So let's open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys 3 of these glass screen protector itself, and right underneath that you can see there's some more stuff. So they provide you guys 3 of these wet wipes and dry wipes that you can use to wipe off the camera itself before apply it on. They do provide you guys one of these adapters in use if you guys use like a micro SD card or something. And right here they provide you guys 2 of these hot shoes right here that you can use to put on top of the actual camera itself. And it's actually pretty interesting because it's like 2 ladybugs or something. And right here they provide some stickers that you can use to stick off any dust from the actual screen itself before actually applying on. And then last but not least, they provide you guys the instruction manual right here to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it correctly. And that is basically everything that's included in the packaging itself. So for this screen protector, they mentioned there's a bunch of benefits of using it, such as the fact that it's anti-scratch, it's anti-bubble, anti-fingerprint, and anti-water, which means that it's water resistant, which is definitely super nice. And they mentioned when you guys apply it on, it's still really clear, so you guys don't have to worry about it not being clear when you guys apply it on. But that is basically everything that's provided for you guys on the product. Now let me show you guys how to actually apply it on to the camera, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the camera, and right here we have the screen protector. Let's open this up and then we'll apply it on. Alright, so there's 3 of these, but we'll just use one. And use one of these as well. And we'll use one of these stickers, and that should be all we need. If you guys want to use these and put it on, you definitely can. I'll put it on in a second to show you guys what it actually looks like. But we don't really need these for now, so I'll put these away on one side. This is everything that we need right here. So we have this ready, we have this ready, and we have that ready. So first thing I want to do is get the wet wipe and wipe it down first. And then we'll use a dry wipe to wipe it. And then we'll use a dust absorber tape to absorb any dust from here. And then we'll apply it on. So let's do that first. Get the wet wipe out. Okay, wipe it down. That should be good. Put this on one side. Get the dry wipes. Alright. You guys want to wipe it down with the dry wipe. Alright. And you guys want to get the dust absorber tape to remove any of the dust. You can see some right here. Just stick off any of the dust that's on here. Alright, that should be fine. So what you guys want to do now is install the glass screen protector. So let's do that first. Alright. So you can see that works pretty well right here. So once you guys finish applying on, this is basically what it looks like. You can see it looks pretty good. So that's basically how you guys set up the product and how to apply it on. Pretty straightforward and very easy to do it. So now you guys got another layer of protection on top if you guys are worried about cracking your screen. Now let me actually put these on to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys apply it on. Alright, so once we apply it on, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like for this one. Now let me actually apply the other one and show you guys what the other one looks like as well. Alright, so we got the other one here as well. If we apply it on, this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the actual product itself, and definitely see that it's pretty easy to apply it on. You guys follow all the instructions using the wet wipe, dry wipe, and applying everything on correctly with the stickers and whatnot, then you should be fine. And you guys can see from the test itself, when we actually put on the hot shoe, the little ladybug option right there, that's actually really cool to add that like kind of the cuteness to your camera. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we're unboxing and testing the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that it's always nice to get any kind of screen protector in general to protect your like devices, whether it be your camera, your phone, your laptops, or whatever. It's always nice to get that extra layer of protection. So that way if you guys do end up scratching it or cracking your screen or whatever on your camera or laptop or whatever, you guys definitely have that protection, so you guys don't have to really worry about it as much. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.